Hey guys, what is up? Joe here, back at the end with another tech review video. And today, I got my hands on a smart mirrorless camera, the Fujifilm X-A7. Now, I brought this camera to so many of my trips such as Ilocos, Rizal, Baguio, Binondo, and even at one of the famous mountains in the Philippines, Mount Pulag. So today, I'll give you guys an unboxing, talk about the main specs and what's new about this camera, and give my final thoughts using this camera as a travel vlogger. If you're a beginner looking for a Fujifilm camera that will help step up your content creation from your smartphone camera, I believe that the X-A7 is just for you. This camera boasts awesome performance in capturing beautiful stills and videos with astonishing quality and ease of use. Opening the kit, you have a nice leather strap, manuals and instructions, the X-A7 body, the Fujinon lens XC 15-45mm f3.5 to 5.6, a USB Type-C cable, a 2.5mm to 3.5mm audio adapter, lastly, the Fujifilm's battery. So that ends the unboxing part. Taking a closer look on the camera, you can see that the body has that timeless Fujifilm design, having a nice silver painted finish with a leather material. In front of the camera is where you have the AF assist beam, lens release button so you can attach your lens. On the top right is the X-A7 logo. On top of the camera, it has two button dial combo, one for stills photos and another for video. Power button, dial for shooting modes, a hot shoe mount, and the pop-up flash. On the right side of the camera, you have the loop of the strap, a micro HDMI port, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. While on the left side, you have the other loop of the strap, the switch that pops up the flash, and the 2.5mm microphone or remote release connector. At the back, you have the vari-angle LCD touchscreen monitor, drive delete button, playback button, focus stick, menu OK button, and the display back button. And at the bottom of the camera is the tripod mount, and a hatch that stores the SD card and battery. The X-A7 sports a newly developed 24.24 megapixel APS-C sensor that gives a premium image quality and outstanding AF performance that instantly focuses on faces and eyes for portraits, action and movies, and produces stunning colors even in low light. There are 5 color variations to choose from: silver, camel, mint green, dark silver, and their new navy blue color. The X-A7's stylish camera body weighs just 320 grams. When combined with its kit lens, the weight comes to 455 grams, which is really portable and great for travel vloggers like me. The X-A7 features a large 3.5-inch touchscreen LCD monitor with a wide aspect ratio of 16:9. This is the first X-series camera model that features a vari-angle monitor, which is great for self-portraits and vlogging. It is also good for shooting from high and low-angle shots. It also has a new smart menu, which enables intuitive operation and allows users to adjust shooting settings easily, like a smartphone. What's new with the advanced SR auto function? It now allows you to set the new bright mode feature, which is an ideal setting if you want to produce HDR output. They also added light trail mode in their scene position selection, allowing you to capture light trails, which you can check the effect on the LCD in real time. Fujifilm enhances their video recording capabilities in the X-A7. It is capable of shooting 4K at 30 frames per second, which is twice the frame rate from its predecessors, and can record at 60 frames per second in Full HD and HD video. It is also the first X-series camera to feature a countdown video mode, in which you can specify the duration of the video to be filmed from the options of 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds, which is good to keep track of your recording like when you use IG stories. So what is my verdict for this camera? Honestly, I like that they finally thought of adding the 3.5mm adapter since majority of the audio gear that I use has this size. I commend the fact that they made a bigger vari-angle LCD screen and matches the 16:9 aspect ratio for video. That way, you will definitely see yourself within the frame. I find the Fujifilm X-A7 an awesome camera to start with if you want to go for the Fujifilm system, especially to anyone who have no knowledge in photography and videography. As a travel vlogger, weight and quality are the things I look for when I shoot and travel. Investing on the Fujifilm system, especially their lens lineup, would be a good choice for travelers because they have a lot of lightweight but high quality models. Anyone who is just starting out and looking into doing content creation in the travel niche, the X-A7 is my choice in the Fujifilm lineup. Anyways, this finishes my review of the Fujifilm X-A7. If you guys have any questions regarding this video, please just ask away in the comment section. If you guys like this tech review, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Also, if you want to be updated in my next videos, don't forget to follow my social media pages. This is Serrano signing out for the Fujifilm X-A7, and I will see you in my next tech review. See you guys!